Did you know that one of the most important numbers in the world has been of interest to mathematicians for thousands of years? Yes, we are talking about the number pi, a number that lies at the heart of the world of mathematics. The first evidence of the approximate value of pi dates back to 4,000 years ago. The ancient Egyptians used the value of 3.16 to calculate the area of a circle, while the Babylonians estimated it to be 3.125. But the person who made a significant advancement in calculating pi was the Greek Archimedes. He used inscribed and circumscribed polygons to limit the value of the number pi between 3.108 and 3.1428. During the Golden Age of Islam, Muslim scholars like Jamshid al-Kashani calculated the value of pi to 16 decimal places. This was one of the most accurate values at that time. With the advent of the modern era, mathematicians were able to calculate the value of pi with much greater precision. Today, using computers, millions of digits of the number pi have been obtained. But why is pi so important? This number is not only used in geometry, but also in engineering, astronomy, physics, and even wave theory. The number pi remains one of the most mysterious and fascinating mathematical numbers. Can you also memorize more of its digits?